In your iPhone, open the Shortcuts app. From Library, tap this plus icon to create a new shortcut. Tap this arrow, select Rename, and rename the shortcut Video to MP3. Tap on Done. Tap this Search Actions. Type here Select, and select Photos. Tap this arrow. Enable select multiple option if you want to convert multiple videos to audios at once. Then tap on all, uncheck images, live photos. Only select videos. Tap on done. Again tap on search actions. This time type here encode, select encode media, tap this arrow, enable audio only. Format, select a format. And again tap on search actions. This time type save and select the save file action. And now just tap on tap this eye icon, and here enable show in share sheet and tap on done. Now you can just go back. Here we can see the shortcut successfully created. Now go to your Photos app, open the video that you want to convert to MP3, tap the share, scroll up. In here you will find this shortcut that we just created, video to MP3. So select video to MP3. Now select the video once more. And now on your iPhone, go ahead and select a video where you want to export. So I'm selecting AR folder, tapping on open. And now I'm going to my Files app, going to the AR folder, scrolling down and searching for the audio. So here we can see the audio. So that's how you can actually do it.